Hi everybody, welcome back to Kane's Kitchen. Today we're making monkey bread. So we got a special guest. It's my second favorite stuffed animal, fluted. Say hi. These are the ingredients you'll need: biscuits, sugar, cinnamon, plastic bag, brown sugar, butter. First, preheat the oven to 350. After preheating the oven, cut the biscuits in quarters. Now, put the sugar in the bag. Now put the cinnamon in. Pick up bag and shake it together. Now we're going to add the dough. Now layer the dough in the pan. Now melt the butter and put in the brown sugar. Now pour the mixture over the top. Bake for 30 or 40 minutes. Now for my favorite part, the taste test. You want to have some first? No? Okay. It's good. That's pretty good. Like, subscribe, and come back next time.